What if one snake bite could shut down your body? And here's the twist. Most don't want to eat you. 5. Inland taipan. Extremely venomous, but it avoids people. It eats rats and small mammals. 4. Black mamba. Fast and deadly when cornered. It hunts small mammals and birds.
You've probably seen these AI paper-style videos popping up everywhere lately. They look handcrafted, cinematic, and honestly pretty complicated to make. But the workflow I'm using is actually much simpler. I start with one AI paper video skill, turn my idea into a full set of paper-style scenes, then use Google Flow Agent to create and animate everything. For this tutorial, I'll use a poem as my example. But you can use this same process for stories, history, educational content, biographies, or almost any topic. Here's exactly how it works. By the way, I'm Alex, and if you want all my AI workflows, prompt packs, and tools like this, you can join our AI creator community. Links in the description. Let's dive in. For this example, I'm using a poem, but this exact workflow can also work for stories, history, educational videos, biographies, mysteries, or almost any topic you want to turn into a paper-style animation. Here's the process. Step 1. Set up the paper video workflow. First, open ChatGPT or Claude and load the paper video setup we'll be using. This gives the AI the instructions it needs to understand the paper style, keep the visuals consistent, break your content into scenes, and later generate both the image and animation prompts. So instead of building everything manually from scratch, we already have a complete system to follow. If you want to use the exact same setup I'm using in this tutorial, you can get it inside our school community. I'll leave the link below. Step 2. Add your content. Next, give the AI the content you want to turn into a video. This could be a story, script, topic, historical event, educational idea, or even a poem. For this tutorial, I'm using a poem as my sample. I simply paste it in and let the AI first understand the meaning, emotion, characters, locations, important objects, and symbolism. This gives us a much stronger visual direction before we start generating anything. Step 3. Create the images with Google Flow Agent. Now open Google Flow and go into the agent. This is where the process gets really useful. Instead of generating every scene separately, we can work with the agent through one continuous conversation. Give it the image prompts we just created and let it start generating the scenes. For YouTube, I'm using 16 by 9. For Shorts, Reels, or TikTok, use 9 by 16. Step 4. Review and fix the images. Once the images are generated, review them carefully before moving on. Check the characters, faces, hands, clothing, background objects, and the overall consistency. If something looks wrong, you can simply tell the agent what you want changed. For example, fix the hand but keep everything else the same. Or use the exact same character from the previous scene. This is much easier than starting over with another prompt. Proceed to animation. Once the agent finishes generating all of the images, it will ask if you want to proceed with the animations. At this point, I review the complete set, make sure everything looks good, and then continue. The animation instructions are already prepared from our earlier workflow, so the agent can start animating the approved scenes. For this paper style, I want movements like slow camera push-ins, gentle parallax, paper layers sliding, small character movements, elements unfolding, or paper pieces revealing something underneath. Keep the movements simple and cinematic. The goal is to bring the paper artwork to life without losing that handmade look. Step 6. Create the voiceover. Next, I create the voiceover in 11 Labs. Because I'm using a poem for this example, I'll use the original poem as my narration. If you're creating a story or educational video, use the script you prepared earlier. Choose a voice that matches the mood, generate the audio, and download it. Step 7. Edit in CapCut plus CTA. Finally, open CapCut. Add your voiceover first, then place each animated scene under the matching section of the narration. Add some background music, ambience, paper sounds, and subtle sound effects if you want. Review the pacing, make any final adjustments, and export. If you want to create this paper-style video yourself, I've added the complete AI paper video skill inside our school classroom. Just upload the skill to ChatGPT or any LLM, add your topic, story, script, or poem, and follow the workflow step by step. You'll find the skill and everything you need below. Try it out, share your result with us, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.
Nimble Fawn, Ode to Billy, by Voz. Things go wrong, must be strong, must keep on. Things go wrong. Long the night, fearful fright, dreadful blight. Long the night. Questions linger, point the finger, doubts and stingers. Questions linger. Those remain, game and shame. Cast the blame, those remain. Must move on, nimble fawn, find the dawn. Must move on. Things made right, grit and bite, faithful light. Things made right. Peace, Kyrie eleison.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more exciting updates.